Welcome students. Today is a new lecture. If you have done our previous lecture, then it is very easy to understand the new lecture. Okay. Today, at first we will explain about this array. How to use this array in your stack. Okay. This is the previous lecture we explained. Okay. Same graph we have displayed. Okay, we changed something in our previous lecture, so your new lecture means stack it has been done. So still our program is same as previous lecture. In this lecture we will change only one line in our previous program. So today at first we will explain actually what is the stack. A stack is a linear data structure, means collection of items of the same type. Stack follows the last in first out, means LIFO technology fashion, wherein the last element entered in the first one to be popped out. In stacks, the insertion and deletion of elements happen only at one end of its point. So now here what are you looking? You can see that here before you have done this program. Okay, this one. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than 1, I plus plus, scanf percentage of d address of ai. What is the meaning of this? Okay, if you want means insert an element in your array, so you have to use this line. Okay, what is this? You can see here. So this is a horizontal. Okay, at first a0 is equal to 10 user input, a1 is equal to 20 user input, a2 is equal to 30 user input, and a3 is equal to 40 user input. So total the size of array is 4 and total elements are 4. Okay. So when you display the elements in your stack, you have to write this line. For I is equal to n minus 1. I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, printf ai. So your element it will be displayed like this. At first 40 will display, then 30 will display, then 20 will display, then 10 will display. If you have done our previous lecture C programming, then it is very easy to understand. So in this program, in the stack, in this program we will use some operations. The following are the basic operations served by the stack. Number first is the push. Okay, push means this function adds an element to the top of the stack. And second one is pop. Pop means this function removes the topmost element from the stack. And third one is it will ask, is it empty? Checks whether the stack is empty. And fourth one is full. It checks whether the stack is full. If the size is 4, then it will say that your stack is full. And after then, at last what we have written? At last what we have written? Top. Okay. Top means display the topmost element of the stack. What is this? We will explain you. So you can see that this is the horizontal. Your array is horizontal. If you will write your array like in this form, means vertical form. So that is the stack. Every time the name of the index, you can see the name of the index is A0. So this name we will change. This is top. How? Now see the program. So this is our program. So has include issue.h. This is nonsense. No need to write it. So at first we have defined size is 4. Suppose the array size is 4. At first we have written int top is equal to minus 1. Okay, top is the integer and its value is minus 1. And array size is 4. Okay. Then we have written push function, means to insert the element, means you can also write here create. Then we have written pop means to delete the element. Then we have written show, means show the array. And this is the main function. Inside the main function we are using switch function. Actually switch cases. So your choice int, this is also integer, while 1. Okay, so it will work many times. So if your choice is 1, then you will push. If your choice is pop means 2, then it will pop the element, means delete the element, and this is so, and this is come out from this case. Okay, default invalid choice. So now suppose the user has input push means 1. So now in this condition you will come here. So void push, okay, intx, okay, then top is equal to size minus 1. What is the meaning of this? We will explain you after some time, because this time there is no element in your stack. Now here else enter the element, it will say enter the element, okay, address of x, and top is equal to top minus 1. We have written already here top is equal to minus 1. Top is equal to minus 1. Okay. If top is equal to minus 1, what will happen here? So top is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Means A0 is equal to x. Okay. Whatever the input, user input, that will be goes to A0. That will be goes to A0. So top. So what is this? So suppose user input A0. A0 is equal to 10. Okay. So A top is equal to 10. Okay. Then next time, suppose again you have input push, again push, okay, means 1. So again top is equal to, top was before 0, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So A1 is equal to x. What is the meaning of this? A1 is equal to x means suppose the user input 20. Similarly, top is equal to top plus 1, A2 is equal to 30. Top is equal to top plus 1, A3 is equal to 40. Okay. So the size of array is only 4. Okay. So in this condition, what will happen? If top is equal to size minus 1, size is 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. So in this condition, overflow. You can see that your position is now here. Your position is here. So after then there is no space. So it will show that stack is overflow. Very, very simple. Done. Okay. Done. Now you have done this one. Now you will pop. At first I will show you how the program is working. Just see here. So now operation in stack, push, pop, show and end. Suppose user input 1. Okay. And the value is 10. Done. Then again 1. Done. 20. Done. Again 1. Done. 30. Done. 4 again. Sorry, choice is 1. Okay. And 40. Now you want to display. Display means you have to write 3. Now you can see before the array was like this, horizontal. This time vertical. 40, 30, 20, 10. So your first element is 40. Means in your stack, first element is 40, then 30, then 20, then 10. If you will pop, first element 40 will be popped. First element 40 will be popped. How to pop? How to pop? Already we have explained here how to pop. So this operation is working. This one. This operation is working. Okay. From I is equal to n minus 1 to 0. This operation is working. Now how? I will show you. Now again come here in your program. This is the push. Now this is the pop. So we will not explain this one. After some time we will explain. So else part. At first you know that your position is at top. So array top will display. What is your position? Your position is here this time. Your position is this time here. So 40 will display. At first 40 will display because of your top is this. Okay. Top is equal to top minus 1 we have written. So your top is this. Okay. Then you have written top is equal to top minus 1. You can see again here. Top is equal to top minus 1. Okay. Again suppose user has written pop. So top is equal to top minus 1 means 2. Means top is equal to 2. So A2 is equal to 30 will display. Okay. So 30. Similarly again pop. Top is equal to top minus 1. 20 will display. Okay. Similarly again top is equal to top minus 1. So 10 will display. Okay. Suppose again you want to pop. So top is equal to top minus 1 means minus 1. Now there is no space. You can see that there is no data actually. No data means so this operation it will work. If top is equal to minus 1 underflow means there is no data. There is no data. Now you cannot pop from the stack. Now I will show you in your program. This is your program. We have show, now pop. Suppose pop is 2. Okay, and display is 3. Now you can see that 40 has been popped. Okay, 30, 20 and 10 display. Again, suppose you want to pop, okay, display. Now you can see that 30 has been popped. 20 and 10 is, there is only 2 data, 20 and 10. Again we have written pop. Pop means 2. Again display means 3. Only one element 10 is there. Again you want to pop. Pop means 2 and display means 3. So now you can see underflow because there is no data. If there is no data, so this message will be display underflow. Getting? So top is equal to -1. So this message it will be display. Very simple. If you understand this line, so it is very easy to understand the stack. Okay. So we have done also this part. Okay. To show we are using the array, means the program like this. int I is equal to top means n-1. I is greater than equal to 0. I minus or minus I, both are same. Array I. So show operation we have done, pop operation we have done, push operation we have done. So this is the main function. We have written the case operation here. Okay. So this program it has done. I think that you understand. If you understand, before we were using the array like this, means this is the vertical form. Okay, sorry, horizontal form. Now in place of horizontal we are using the vertical form. This is the vertical form, this is the array. So before there was no name for A0, for A1, for A2 and for A3. So now this time we are using for 0, we are using top. So top is changing. Okay, whenever you are pushing or popping, so your top is changing. Okay, so I think that you understand how it is working. So by the help of this only 2 lines, the first line is this, to input the data, and to display the data means pop, we have used this operation. Okay, thank you so much. Go in the previous lecture. In the next lecture we have discussed how to use the stack methods in our signaling list. Okay, thank you so much.